Today I got an email from one of my disciples in Russia, whose name is Chaitanya Simhadas. He's not a well-known devotee. Probably never will be well-known. Maybe after this he'll be a little more well-known after this talk. He's a very simple and humble devotee. For years he goes out every day distributing Srila Prabhupada's books. He's not a huge book distributor. He's quite a quiet person. But he goes door to door. He systematically covers a whole town in the course of, may take several years, and distributes Srila Prabhupada's books. So every so often he writes 2 or 3 lines to me, and I wrote back. I was just inspired to write one line to him: "Your life is successful." It is. Anyone who, even in not doing, we might say, huge, gargantuan efforts in Krishna's service, not shaking the world or becoming famous, or he has no such desire. He just goes out very dutifully and very happily every day, does some services in the temple, doesn't bother anyone. A little bit, you could say, a little bit of a loner, but that's his life. He's been doing it for years. He's quite old now. He's probably around the same age as me, a little younger. His life is successful. Let us see devotees everywhere. They may not be very famous, well-known, this, that. By Srila Prabhupada's great mercy campaign, so many devotees all over the world are making their life successful by simply, without any ostentatiousness, going on quietly, happily performing their service day after day. So I'm taking inspiration. We may all take inspiration. How we may make our life successful simply by remaining steady, peaceful, happy to serve the mission of Srila Prabhupada, Lord Chaitanya and Lord Krishna in this world. Hare Krishna.